Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important: taking care of your health. We're diving deep into a fantastic juice recipe that's designed to help lower both your cholesterol and blood pressure. Pretty amazing, right? So, what is this incredible concoction? We're calling it the longevity juice, a name that sounds pretty cool. And it totally fits because it's packed with ingredients that are seriously good for you. The best part? This isn't some complicated recipe with ingredients you can only find in a specialty store. Nope, we're keeping it simple, delicious, and accessible to everyone. First on the list, we need some beets. For this recipe, one medium-sized beet will do the trick. Beets are absolute superstars when it comes to blood pressure. They're loaded with nitrates, which are natural compounds. Your body then works its magic and converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. And what does nitric oxide do? It helps to relax and widen your blood vessels, making it easier for your blood to flow. Think of it like giving your arteries a relaxing spa day. Next, we're adding one green apple. The green apple isn't just for a tasty flavor twist. Apples are a great source of soluble fiber, which is known to help lower cholesterol levels. Plus, they add a wonderful sweetness to the juice, making it a treat that's both delicious and healthy. Who doesn't love a treat that's also good for you? Then, we need a couple of stalks of celery. Celery contributes a lot to the health benefits of this juice. Celery contains a special compound called PHT halides. Phthalides have been shown to help lower blood pressure. It also contributes a nice, refreshing crunch to the overall flavor profile. Even though we're juicing it, don't underestimate the power of a good crunch. Time for some ginger. A small piece of ginger, about an inch, is all you need. Ginger is a true powerhouse. It boasts incredible anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve blood flow throughout your body. Also, it gives the juice a fantastic, subtle kick that wakes up your taste buds. And finally, the zest of flavor. Let's add some lemon. Half a lemon, juiced, is the perfect amount. Lemon adds a bright, zesty flavor that balances the other ingredients beautifully and gives you a fantastic boost of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant, and it's fantastic for your overall health. Now, let's get into the fun part. How do we make this amazing longevity juice? It's super easy. First, wash all your ingredients thoroughly. This is a very important step. Next, chop them into smaller pieces so they fit easily into your juicer. You want to make sure the juicing process goes smoothly. Then, simply toss everything into your juicer and get ready to enjoy the magic. Once everything is juiced, pour it into a tall, refreshing glass and enjoy. You can drink this juice every day, or just a few times a week, whatever fits your routine. It's a fantastic and delicious way to give your body a little extra love and attention. Remember, this longevity juice is a supplement to a healthy lifestyle. It's not a magic bullet. To get the best results, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and always talk to your doctor about your health and any concerns you might have. But hey, incorporating this delicious and nutritious juice into your daily or weekly routine is a wonderful step in the right direction. So, there you have it, the longevity juice recipe. Give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.